गुड मॉर्निंग प्यारे बच्चों। आज हम एक्सरसाइज 7.10 के कुछ और क्वेश्चंस देखेंगे जो कि इंटीग्रेशन बाय सब्स्टिट्यूशन पर बेस्ड है, डेफिनेट इंटीग्रेशन बाय सब्स्टिट्यूशन। तो दिस इज द थर्ड क्वेश्चन। इंटीग्रेट 0 to 1 साइन इनवर्स 2x अपॉन 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर। तो यहाँ पर इसको इंटीग्रेट करने से पहले या सब्स्टिट्यूशन से पहले इंटीग्रेट करने से पहले हम सब्स्टिट्यूशन करेंगे। और सब्स्टिट्यूशन क्या करेंगे इसमें कि x को tan थीटा पुट करेंगे, क्योंकि यहाँ से फिर हमारे पास एक फार्मूला मिल जाएगा हमें। सो पुट x इक्वल टू tan थीटा, देन dx by d theta is sec square theta, so dx becomes sec square theta d theta. So this dx is replaced by sec square theta d theta, and this 2x upon 1 plus x square becomes 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Now the limits of theta will be when x is equal to 0, tan theta is 0, it means theta is also 0. When x is equal to 1, it means tan theta equal to 1, and it means theta is equal to pi by 4. So the limits of theta are from 0 to pi by 4. Now this becomes sin 2 theta, 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta is sin 2 theta. So integrand reduces to sin inverse sin 2 theta sec square theta d theta, and this reduces to 2 theta. So finally the integrand becomes 2 theta sec square theta d theta. 2 is constant, can be taken outside the integration sign, and the remaining one theta sec square theta can be integrated by parts, taking theta as the first function and sec square theta as the second function. So we get theta into integration of sec square theta, that becomes tan theta, minus differentiation of first function, that is 1, and integration of second is tan theta. In the first one, put the limits. First put the upper limit, then lower limit, and find their difference. And here in the second term, integration of tan theta is log mod sec theta. So we get when you put the upper limit, you get pi by 4 tangent pi by 4, and 0 पे तो 0 ही हो गया ये हमारे पास, and we get finally pi by 4, and tangent pi by 4 is 1, so it becomes pi by 4. And here integration of this is log sec theta, so and the limits are from 0 to pi by 4. First put the upper limit, that is pi by 4, so it becomes log sec pi by 4 minus then lower limit, so log sec 0, and sec pi by 4 is root 2, and sec 0 is 1, so it becomes twice pi by 4 minus log root 2 minus log 1, and log 1 is 0, so you are left with pi by 4 minus log root 2. Multiply it by 2, you get pi by 2 minus twice, and this log root 2 can be written as 2 to the power half, and using log m to the power n is equal to n log m, we get half log 2. Then this 2 gets cancelled with this, and finally you get pi by 2 minus log 2. Next question is 0 to 2 x root x plus 2. Here we can make the substitution as root x plus 2 equal t. Then x plus 2 becomes t square. So dx becomes 2t dt. So, and when x equal to 0, t becomes root 2, and when x equal to 2, t becomes 2. So the limits of t are from root 2 to 2, and x is t square minus 2, so x is replaced by t square minus 2, and root x plus 2, it is replaced by t, and dx is replaced by 2t dt. Then 2 can be taken outside and it becomes t square. Multiply it with the terms within the bracket, you get t to the power 4 minus 2 t square. Now integration of t to the power 4 is t to the power 5 divided by 5. Limits are from root 2 to 2, and integration of t square is t cube by 3. Limits are from root 2 to 2. So first put the upper limit, that is 2. We get 2 to the power 5 minus root 2 to the power 5 upper limit minus lower limit in the first term. Similarly in the second term, upper limit minus lower limit, 3 square can be taken common, so it becomes here there is a mistake बेटा, ये 2 नहीं आएगा, आप इसको रिमूव कर लेंगे यहाँ से. So we get 2 cube minus root 2 cube. Then we get 32 minus 4 root 2 minus 2 by 3, 8 minus 2 root 2. Then it becomes 32 by 5 minus 4 root 2 by 5 minus 16 by 3 plus 4 root 2 by 3. एल्सियम लेके सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे, 15 एल्सियम आ जाएगा. Then numerator becomes 96 minus 12 root 2 minus 18 plus 20 root 2. After simplification, you get 16 plus 8 root 2, and out of these two terms 8 can be taken common and multiplied with 2, you get 16 by 15, 2 plus root 2, and again 2 can be written as root 2 square and root 2 can be taken common, so it becomes 16 root 2 divided by 15 into root 2 plus 1. Next is x is integration minus 1 to 1 dx upon x square plus 2x plus 5. यहाँ पर इसे हम परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बना सकते हैं. 5 को स्प्लिट कर दिया 1 plus 4, और इसके बाद फर्स्ट 3 टर्म्स दे आर द स्क्वायर ऑफ x plus 1 square. So we can write minus 1 to 1, 1 upon x plus 1 whole square plus 2 square into dx. Now this x plus 1 can be taken as t, then dx becomes dt, and when x equal to 1 minus 1, t is 0. When x equal to 1, t becomes 1 plus 1, that is 2. So the limits of t are from 0 to 2, 1 upon t square plus 2 square into dt. Now integrate it using integration of dx upon x square plus a square, that is 1 upon a tan inverse x by a. So we can write 1 by 2 tan inverse t by 2, and the limits are from 0 to 2. So after putting the limits, you get 1 by 2 tan inverse 2 by 2 minus tan inverse 0. So it becomes tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse 0, and tan inverse 1 is pi by 4, tan inverse 0 is 0. So the integration is pi by 8. That's all for today. Thank you.